I make a request to all my viewers. Please like my videos and share with your friends and colleagues and subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. We now discuss the question number 82 of the question paper TS Set 2023 October. This question is from the section Algebra and the question is related to the splitting field. It is the second question in this question paper. This question is suitable for the aspirants of JL, DL, AP Set, IIT JAM and GATE. Yes. So we talk about the question number 82 bearing the question ID, this one. The given question is, let capital E be the extension of Q, the field of rational numbers of smallest degree, such that all the roots of f of x is equal to 2x to the power of 4 minus x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 6 belongs to the polynomial ring Q bracket x lie in E. Then which of the following is not a correct statement? Not a correct statement. We are given four options. Option 1, x square plus 1 splits completely into linear factors in E. Option 2, E is the splitting field of x cube plus x square plus 9x plus 9. Option 3, E is the splitting field of x square plus 6x plus 10. Option 4, x to the power of 4 minus x square minus 2 has all the roots in E. So we have to find out E, the extension of Q of smallest degree, such that all the roots of this polynomial lie in E. Then we have to answer this question, that is, we have to find out that statement which is not correct statement from the given following four statements. Right. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given capital E is the extension of the field of rational numbers Q of smallest degree, such that all the roots of this polynomial belongs to Q of x lie in E. So what is the smallest extension? So this is the extension of Q of smallest degree. What is this one? This is by definition, E is the splitting field of fx. Right. Now observe that we take that polynomial, try to find the roots of that one. Make an observation. We observe that the sum of the coefficients of fx is 0. If you take the coefficients and add them, it is 0. It tells you x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. So use synthetic division or the usual ordinary division and find out x minus 1 into g of x. F of x is equal to x minus 1 into g of x. Find out g of x. So now f of x is equal to x minus 1 into g of x, where g of x is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 6 belongs to q of x. So you get this g of x by synthetic division or otherwise. Agreed. Agreed. Now we got g of x. So we want to find out still further the roots of this g of x. We use the rational root there. It says, and the possible rational roots of g of x are given by plus or minus factors of the constant term, that is minus 6, by the factors of the leading coefficient, that is 2. So that is equal to plus or minus factors of 6 by factors of 2. The factors of 6 are plus or minus 1, 2, 3, 6 by the factors of 2 are 1, 2. So with the denominator 1, you will have plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. With the denominator 2, you will have 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. And the 2 by 2 will be plus or minus 1, which is covered, and 6 by 2 plus or minus 3, which is already covered. So we got these are the possible roots of g of x by rational root theorem. Now it may be checked that g of 3 by 2 is 0 and none of the others are becoming 0, and g of 3 by 2 is 0. That means 2x minus 3 is a factor of g of x. Now g of x is equal to 2x minus 3, again by division, multiplied by x square plus 2x plus 2. Thus we have found the roots, two roots, x minus 1 and 2x minus 3. The other two factors, x minus 1 into 2x minus 3. The other factor is a quadratic factor, and we write down here f of x is equal to x minus 1 into g of x, that is x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 into x square plus 2x plus 2. We continue the discussion in the next slide. Right. We have the fx. This we have seen in the last slide. Now the roots are x minus 1 will give you 1, 2x minus 3 will give you 3 by 2, x square plus 2x plus 2 will give you minus 2 plus or minus under the square root of 2 square minus 4 into a into c by 2. That is 1 comma 3 by 2 and minus 1 plus or minus I. So the roots are these ones. Now consider the extension field q bracket I, q of I. That is the set of all a plus ib, where ab belongs to q. This is an extension field of smallest extension. No? So it may be seen that 1, 3 by 2, minus 1 plus or minus I, they will be in qi. So they all will belong to qi. So there's q of I is the smallest extension field of q in which this fx splits. Right. That means q of I is the splitting field of fx over q. Therefore, E is q of I. Now let's answer the questions given in options. Right. We have E is equal to q of I. Option 1. X square plus 1 splits completely into linear factors in E. Yes, this is true. Why? Because x square plus 1 splits completely into linear factors x plus y into x minus I in E is equal to qi. So option 1 is true. X square plus 1 splits completely into linear factors in E is equal to qi. Option 2. E is the splitting field of x cube plus x square plus 9x plus 9. So let's take the polynomial and find out the roots. And this is x square plus 9 into x plus 1. And this is x plus 3i into x minus 3i into x plus 1. This splits completely in E is equal to qi. And but splits in no proper subfield of E. Therefore, E is the splitting field of x cube plus x square plus 9x plus 9. Yes, option 2 is also true. Option 3. E is the splitting field of x square plus 6x plus 10. Let's see. What are the roots? The roots are you use minus b plus or minus under the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and simplify, we will find the roots as x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus I, and it belongs to Q of I, that is E. And E is it is the smallest extension, therefore E is the splitting field. Option 3 is also true. Option 4. X to the power of 4 minus x square minus 2 has all the roots in E. So what are the roots of this x to the power of 4 minus x square minus 2? So factorization will lead you to get x square plus 1 into x square minus 2 is equal to 0. And x square plus 1 is equal to 0 will give you plus or minus I. X square minus 2 is equal to 0 will give you plus or minus root 2. In Qi, and this has all the roots in U. In E, this is not true. Why? The roots are plus or minus I, which will be in E, that is Qi, and plus or minus root 2 does not belong to E. These are rational, and these are not connected by the I. It's not A plus IB, where AB belongs to Q. So therefore root 2 does not belong to that. So therefore this option is not true. So note that plus or minus root 2, that is this two roots of this polynomial, they are not in E. E is equal to Qi. Therefore that means thus option 4 is not true. We are asked to find that option which is not correct. Therefore our answer to this question is option 4. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of this problem. It is definitely a good one. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I make a request to all my viewers. Please like my video in the channel and share my videos with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. I wish you all the best. Thank you.